Today we are going to change the spark plug on a Briggs & Stratton 093J02 engine for a Viking MB 253.1 T Lawnmower. Remove the spark plug boot. Now you have access to the spark plug. Remove using a 60mm socket. For this replacement we use an NGK BCPR5ES Spark Plug. The gap is normally set, however if you want to check this using a feeler gauge, the gap should be 0.020 inches, 0.51mm. Hand tighten the spark plug and tighten with the socket. Place the boot over the spark plug securely. That's how you change a spark plug on a Briggs & Stratton engine for the Viking lawnmower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.